Evaluating and comparing two prominent online travel agencies, Booking.com and Trivago.com. While both help travelers find and book accommodation, their functionalities and approach differ significantly. And now, let's explore the Booking.com. Booking.com is a primary a booking platform. It allows users to directly book hotels, flights, rental cars, and other travel service. Booking.com is offer a wide selection, offer a vast inventory of hotel and other travel options globally. Direct booking. User book directly through Booking.com, often with immediately confirmation. Detailed information. Provide a comprehensive hotel information including photos, review, and amenities. Customer support. Offer a various customer support channel. Price transparency. Generally show all-inclusive price upfront through taxi and fees. May be added later in the process. Loyalty program offer a reward program for repeat bookings. And now let's explore Trivago. Trivago.com is a meta search engine. It doesn't directly book travel. Instead, it research across many different online travel agency and travel provide to compare price. It acts as a price comparison tool. Price comparison. Its main strength is comparing price from numerous sources for the same hotel or flight. Wide search scope. Search across a broad range of OTAs and provides given a wider price perspective. Limited booking. Users are redirected to the original OTAs or provides website to complete the book. Hotel information provide a basic hotel information but typically less detailed than Booking.com. Booking.com, best for users who want a straightforward booking experience with a wide selection and detailed information. The direct booking process offers a convenience and often clear pricing. Travigo.com is best for users who prioritize finding the best price and want to compare offers from the different providers. It excellent for research and finding the most competitive deals. But the booking process involving navigating to another website. In short, Booking.com is one-stop shop for booking, while Trabigo.com is powerful tools for finding the lowest price.